got something I can unbox today. So I will be unboxing this box I got, and inside it has something great for hand care, so I will be talking about that in my video. Let's get going. Okay, I don't want to screw this up. I'm gonna spill it all over the table. Oh my gosh. Here we go, let's get this unboxing started. So before I start, I will have to let you know that I am not advertising for this website. I just wanted to show you where I got these items and the app I use to get these items and the app that I use. They do shipping to Canada for free if you spend $129 or more Canadian. Here's where I go to get all my favorite Asian brands. So today I will be showing you what I got. So let's see. So before we get started on the unboxing, I wanted to quickly show you the app. And for those who don't know how to use this app because it's all in Chinese, the app has a lot of different products from facial care, personal care, snacks, and everything that's kind of Asian. I think that this site offers really good deals. It's very reasonably priced, and I often shop on this website along with a few of my friends if we don't qualify for the free shipping. And again, I am not promoting this website. It's just a website that I found that is very useful to get all the products that I am not able to get in local stores or paying a premium for some of these products. They do have a lot of cute items such as, you know, this new Color Key Doraemon lipstick. Some of the most important details of this website is in English, such as add to cart, delete, save for later, and the pricing. However, if you don't know what a product means or needs help, all you have to do is take a screenshot, send it to your friends, and ask, hey, what's this? And hopefully they'll let you know. Let's get started. So first of all, I got these masks. This is for moisturizing. I found this mask, I've tried it before. It is very moisturizing and I like the texture of it, and it helps my skin feel very nice and refreshed. So I got these as a part of a promo. There were some free masks that they give if you order $129 or more. So these are the free masks I got. I've never tried this brand before, so hopefully they are good. So this is another type of mask that I got. It's a Korean brand. This I have tried before. My mom loves this. She said it's very good for her skin, and it feels like it's helping her anti-age, and it helps to moisturize. So it looks like I got a lot of masks. So this one, this one I've never tried before. Oh, it's supposed to help neck wrinkles. So you stick this around your neck, and then it's supposed to give collagen essence to your neck. So it's Korean, and I don't know how effective this is, but it looks like it was good reviews on the website. So this is also for free. It's part of that promo. So I got those other 3 masks and this box of masks for free. I've never tried this brand before either, so I have no idea if this is any good, but it's supposed to be for hydration. So this is a room diffuser. It is from Japan and it's Sakura flavor. I'm very excited to try. So Sakura cherry blossom flavored diffuser. Very excited to try. It is also cherry blossom season here in Vancouver, and this is very in style. Very excited. So these are the hand treatments that I was going to talk about. So I found this brand on this website, and I got some of these hand creams. Actually, this one is the sample size I got this because the packaging looked amazing and it's really cute. But it's a little on the expensive side. I believe it is $11 Canadian for 2 of these, and these are 10 grams. So there's only very little amount. But I got this because it was very cute and I loved the packaging. And then I gave one to my mom and she said it was the best hand cream she's ever tried, and she's tried a lot of hand creams, and she was like, you have to order more. You have to order before they sell out. I'm like, Mom, it's not gonna sell out. She's like, oh, you better order more ASAP. So I ordered 6. So this cute packaging only comes in this size, but they have bigger sizes. So this one is 30 grams. Yeah, it's 30 grams. So that's got 20 grams. So 10 in each. So I haven't tried this before, but it's supposed to smell like Sakura. So this is a really good hand cream. And if I'm painting a lot of nails or I'm touching a lot of things, my hands get really dry. And especially nowadays, you're using a lot of hand sanitizer, so it's very important that you moisturize your hands. Everyone's hands are extremely dry. So this one is the largest size that they have. It is 50 grams. So this one, I believe it's best price. It's $15.99 each. $15.99 each, and this is a lavender flavor. So they are all from the same company. So I believe they use the same formula, but then each size has a different smell. You can't have the smell in this size or this size. So this one is a yuzu smell, so citrus smell. It smells really good. So we highly recommend this hand cream. So I don't know how this one or this one really actually smell like, but I think they would be still pretty good because they probably use the same formula, just a different scent. So if you're looking for a hand cream, check these brands out. So this brand is called Honyaradoh. It's a Japanese brand, but this is made in China, it says here. So I believe so are these. Oh, actually the Sakura one is made in Japan. So so can you see here? This one's actually made in Japan. So it's $6.50. So for some reason, this smell is made in Japan. And this one, the packaging is designed in Japan, but it's made in China. Interesting. So let's open these and see if I like the smell. So which one should we open first? So let's see this one, lavender smell. This plastic is really stuck on here. Okay, I'll try to rip that off later. It smells good. Let's see. Let's test it on my hand. It smells like lavender. Really good, really nice. What we like about this one is that it dries not sticky and makes your hands feel very smooth. So I put the lavender on this hand right now. So let's try the Sakura one. So this one's made in Japan. I wonder if it makes a difference. So I guess the packaging is nicer looking. So here is the inside of it. So it's got some big letters, made in Japan, in this one. It smells really nice. Smells really sweet. I didn't really know this is the smell of cherry blossom. Okay, let's see. This one definitely smells stronger than the lavender. It smells really nice. It smells really sweet. Again, it dries really smooth. Not sticky. The formula is not sticky. So I really like to put it all over my nails and massage it into each finger because it helps to moisturize your cuticles, and just you want to avoid having all those dry dead skin around the hands, especially the ones where it looks like it's peeling off. So you see I don't have any of that. We gotta moisturize our hands. So this one actually says hand and nail cream. See? This one. So I do prefer this Sakura smell. It's really good. It smells nice. So this is the box again. Really cute. So let's see. This one, the room diffuser. So I used up my other room diffuser, and then now I'm getting this new one. I wonder if this cherry blossom smell is the same as a hand cream. It is a different brand. Let's see. What is this? This brand is called Laundrin, and this is made in, oh, it's made in Japan. This one's made in Japan. Oh, and it's a limited edition. I guess it's limited to only cherry blossoms. These diffuser sticks are pink. How cute. So this, oh, actually the diffuser doesn't come pre-filled like many of the diffusers that I used to buy. It's all sealed in this package here, and I guess we're supposed to pour it in. Okay, I don't want to screw this up. I'm gonna spill it all over the table. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Totally just spilled it all over the table. I guess it's gonna smell like Sakura over here for many, many days. I want to get the last drops inside because I spilled a good amount on the table there. Epic failed. Okay, let's see. Well, smells really nice already. Maybe it's because I spilled this whole area right here. How sad. Really, really sad. Really beautiful, really beautiful. So I am gonna put it outside and then I'll take a photo to show you guys. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe my channel, and I will bring new content to you every single week, and I look forward to seeing you. Bye!